my water with the car.
What? What I get? What I get?
1, 4, a 5. Now, you need medicine will work for you.
Yes. Please.
Eat medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Mom, here's your food.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Sorry. Here's your bread and here's the fruit.
Can you check my temperature?
I already.
Already. Check my go. Come here. Doctor, come. Doctor, where have you been? Where have you been, Doc? You didn't check me.
Money because I'll pay all this.
What?
Mom, when you're doing this, I'll pay you with your money.
How you pay with my money? I don't have money too.
Okay, give me your money so. You have money.
Where?
Mom, you have already money. Be done, money. Your money.
Where?